Every time a meteor burns through the sky, it carries with it a message. It is a fleeting flash, a brief moment of brilliance, but in that instant, it stirs something ancient within us. To witness a meteor shower is to connect with the universe in a profound way, to become aware of the vastness of space and the passage of time. The stars, the planets, and the distant galaxies seem so far away, and yet, when we look up and see the streaks of light, we are reminded that the universe is constantly in motion, constantly shifting, constantly alive. Meteor showers are not just random events that happen once in a while. They are orchestrated moments, woven into the very fabric of the cosmos. Every meteor we see has traveled across vast distances, sometimes over millions or even billions of years, before it finally crosses paths with Earth. It is a fragment of cosmic history, a relic of the universe's early days, a reminder that everything in the cosmos is interconnected. Each streak of light is a snapshot of the universe's dynamic, chaotic, and ever-evolving nature. These meteors, most of which are no bigger than a grain of sand, are the remnants of comets that have long since passed. Comets, those ancient travelers of the solar system, contain the primordial material from which our planets were formed. The dust and ice they shed as they pass through the sun's heat leave behind a trail of cosmic debris, the very material that created the building blocks of our solar neighborhood. When Earth crosses these trails, we witness the ancient fragments of this cosmic construction. Yet the meteor showers themselves are not just a byproduct of the comet's journey. They are nature's way of reminding us of the great cycles of the universe. These showers mark a point in time when Earth's orbit intersects with the debris left by a comet. It is as though the universe itself is performing a cosmic dance, where each movement is part of a much larger pattern that stretches beyond our comprehension. As we witness these meteors, we are watching the universe unfold in real time. We are not just passive observers. We are participants in a much larger story. When we witness a meteor shower, we are given a rare opportunity to experience the cosmic rhythm firsthand. The meteors we see might be tiny fragments, but they carry with them the energy of the entire universe. These are not just particles of dust. They are fragments of a larger process that spans across the cosmos, connecting us to the distant past and the far future. Each meteor is a messenger from the outer reaches of the solar system, carrying the stories of distant comets, of ancient collisions, and of the forces that shaped the world we know today. Meteors themselves are born from a series of dramatic events. Comets, often described as dirty snowballs made of ice, dust, and rock, begin their journeys in the Oort cloud, a region of the solar system far beyond the planets, where comets roam in the cold darkness of space. Some are ejected from their orbits due to gravitational interactions with the outer planets. Others are on trajectories that bring them closer to the sun. As they approach the sun, the warmth causes them to shed material, dust, gas, and ice, creating their iconic glowing tails. This material, flung into space, drifts along in the comet's wake, leaving behind a trail of cosmic dust. When Earth's orbit intersects with this debris field, the particles enter our atmosphere at astonishing speeds. The friction with the air heats them to thousands of degrees, causing them to glow brightly as they burn up, creating the spectacular streaks of light we call meteors. It's a humbling reminder that Earth itself is not an isolated world, but a part of a larger cosmic community. We are constantly interacting with the material left behind by ancient cosmic bodies, and every meteor shower serves as a reminder of how these interactions shape our environment. Yet, for all their scientific intrigue, meteor showers have long been more than just celestial events to be studied. They have held deep cultural and spiritual significance throughout human history. Ancient civilizations saw meteors as omens, as signs from the gods. The sight of a meteor falling across the sky would often be interpreted as a message, a sign of impending change or divine intervention. To the ancient Greeks, meteors were thought to be sparks created by gods as they journeyed across the heavens. In other cultures, meteors were believed to be spirits or souls, traveling between the earthly and celestial realms. Even today, many of us continue to wish upon a shooting star, as if these tiny cosmic visitors could carry our hopes and dreams into the infinite reaches of space. The act of wishing upon a meteor is a ritual that transcends cultures and centuries, a practice rooted in humanity's timeless desire to connect with the universe. It is as though, for that brief moment, the cosmos is listening, and perhaps, just perhaps, a tiny fragment of the universe will carry our aspirations to the farthest corners of space. The mystical allure of meteor showers lies in their transience. They are flashes of brilliance that burn brightly for an instant before fading into the night, never to be seen again. In their fleeting beauty, they remind us of the fragility of time, of how momentary our lives are against the backdrop of an infinite cosmos. And yet, in their brief existence, they leave an indelible mark on our hearts. The light of a meteor, just as the light of a star, reminds us that though we may be small and impermanent, we are part of something vast, something eternal. It is a cosmic paradox. The more fleeting the experience, the more deeply it resonates within us. As we continue to explore the heavens, meteor showers will remain a reminder of our shared history with the cosmos. With advancements in technology, we have learned more about the origins of meteors, and space missions are increasingly focused on studying the dust and debris that comets leave behind. Our knowledge of meteor showers is growing, and in the coming years, we will gain even deeper insights into the molecular composition of these ancient travelers. Understanding the material of meteorites and meteors could even provide us with clues about the origins of life itself, for it is believed that some of the elements that form life on Earth may have been delivered to our planet by meteors, panspermia in action, carried across the vast distances of space. But beyond the study of meteors, these events continue to remind us of our humanity, of our place in the universe. When we look up at the sky during a meteor shower, we are reminded that we are part of something greater than ourselves. The meteors that streak across the sky are fragments of a cosmic journey, a journey that has been unfolding for billions of years. And for that brief moment when a meteor flashes before our eyes, we are part of that journey, connected to the cosmic rhythm that moves through the universe, from the birth of stars to the destruction of comets, from the formation of planets to the burning of distant meteors. As long as humanity continues to gaze at the stars, meteor showers will remain a powerful symbol of our connection to the cosmos. They will continue to remind us that, despite all our achievements and discoveries, we are still deeply connected to the universe. We are made of the same stardust as the comets, the stars, and the meteors that light up the sky. And in the end, the meteors that cross our path, though fleeting, offer us a glimpse into the infinite, a reminder that we are part of a universe far larger and more wondrous than we can ever imagine.